Smoked maple balsamic peach pork chops. Y'all ready? Let's go! First, we're going to be taking 4 bone-in chops just like so, coating this on all sides to make a binder. Now we're going to be taking our meat church holy gospel, heavily seasoned on all sides just like so. Very nice. We're going to be putting this on our smoker with some hickory wood chips at 250 degrees until it reaches 160. Now onto our balsamic maple glaze sauce. We're going to be taking maple syrup, balsamic vinegar, garlic, get us a nice mix and adding to our cast iron skillet. Taking another small cast iron skillet, slicing 3 small peaches, adding in just a little bit of extra virgin olive oil, give this a nice mix. Placing the peaches right into our smoker halfway through. Perfection. Now adding our chops right back in. Drizzle on some pan sauce just like so. Then putting this back into the smoker till it is finished cooked at 160 degrees. Plate time. We're going to be placing our peaches right on top just like so. Then adding in blue cheese right on top and a little bit of parsley for some garnish. We're going to be serving this with Martin Rock Pile Zinfandel, rich aromas of warm baked blackberry cobbler, black fig drizzled in balsamic, juicy dark fruit tannins, and lingering flavors of spice. And there we have it, an amazing smoked pork chop with balsamic maple glaze, smoked peaches, and blue cheese. As always, please do like, subscribe, follow for future recipes, and I hope you have a good day now you're here. Bye-bye!